a big mess. That's what we have. It's the rainbow. So I color my hair a lot because I go gray a lot, really fast. Like you'll color my hair and I'll go outside and it'll be gray again.
What do you have in mind today?
I don't. It's whatever you suggest.
This is how it looks when it's washed?
No, this is blow dry with a curling brush.
And how it looks like without?
Big mop.
Okay. And how much you are attached to the length?
A little bit.
Okay.
I mean, it's super frizzy.
When I have long hair and it's very frizzy and not in the best condition, and the amount of gray on the top is maximum 50%, I try to not to do full bleach because I want to maintain the health of the hair as much as possible. So I will do enough highlight on the top and enough highlight around the face, concentrate on the visible parts. This way I prepare the hair slightly lighter to blend with the gray.
Okay.
But in order for this blonde to carry on and looks good toward the end, I have to introduce a few slices of balayage so the blonde on the top meets the blonde at the bottom. Few amount of highlights in the top to soften your darker hair. So you start coloring slightly lighter to have a good blend with the gray, and especially around the front where the amount of gray is
it's pretty
much higher. And introduce only a few balayage toward the end. You're gonna still have 70% of dark within the hair, but that's fine because your roots as a gray percentage is not very high.
Oh, okay.
You might think it's high,
Yeah,
but it's not. The front, yes, it is, but the top, you have less than 40% gray, less. The back, there is barely 30% gray. So there's no need to expose the hair for full bleach to get you light. Then when you have a growing roots, the growing roots will be darker than the part that I lighten. Okay?
Yep.
So it's kind of a partial lightening. I can still lighten the remaining 70%, but through the treatment. To strip the darkness out of the dark, out of the 70% remaining part that I haven't done any balayage or highlight for it. And it does help the hair texture to become softer.
The only concern I have, two questions for you. One, I wear my hair up a lot because of what I do. You know, I just have it always constantly in a bun. My daughter yells at me constantly for that. And I'm kind of thinning over here a little bit. So, what do you see the thickness compared to this side versus this side?
This has nothing to do with, like for me, the thinning of the hair, I cannot contribute much to it.
Okay. She's like, make sure you listen to him.
No, I have something to say
just
now.
one thing. I just don't like too much blonde in the face.
Okay.
Because then, you know, because I like to sit in the sun sometimes.
Then it washes you out.
Yeah, it washes me out. That's only one thing. That's it. I came 2 days early just to do this with you. So I don't live here. So I just need you to tell me at the end before I leave how to take care of it.
Don't worry, I'll do that for everyone.
Okay.
I tell them how to do it. I give them the formula. I even give them the tube of colors.
Oh,
so they can do it with themselves at home.
No.
So I do a good job today for 6 hours. I don't want the clients to go and ruin it with one who's coffee. So I want you to enjoy what I've done.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Like I said in my text message, I'm so excited.
Okay. I can give you the breakdown of the price, and if you're happy, we can.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. Head back, yes.
A smile for your camera.
Good. What a beautiful smile.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna look at the side.
Can I give you my double chin? Oh no. A big mess. That's what we have. It's the rainbow.
Now, one more time. Shake your head right and left. Like that. Yes, a bit more aggressive.
Oh my god.
Yes, don't get a brain.
Right.
Okay, relax. Okay, right. Okay. Looks like those shampoo ads.
What was that one chip? Suave or something? Back from the 80s?
Because look at it here. Look at that.
Oh wow. Is it legal to say sexy?
It is sexy.
Wow. I love it. I charge for these modeling classes, okay?
Of course.
Fatty, you heard that, right?
No.
She's charging us for this.
I'm charging you
Nothing
for
for
free.
I
Nothing in life is
still
free.
didn't see anything.
No, it looks great. I love it. I love it.
Thank you, darling.
Thank
That's
you.
Great.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your
All
patience.
right.